Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a heart ring. Have the desired colour of the heart face up and begin by folding this in half lengthways. So now I'll be dividing the paper into quarters, so I'll fold the edges in towards the middle. I'll then take that raw edge and divide the first section in half. Then I'll pull this all the way up to where that quarter crease is on the other side, and this will divide the first half into eighths. Then I'll repeat on the other side. Okay, so that's how I divide my paper. The next step will be to fold my paper in half and make a vertical crease on the other side. From here I'll be flipping the paper over. I'll be doing this a fair bit actually. I'll take that first eighth section and I'll fold this downwards. Flip the paper over, then I will take the top corners and fold these in towards the middle like so. I'll be flipping the paper over once again. I'll take 2/8 this time and fold this down. Okay, so I'll flip over again. I'll take the two tabs here. I'll be opening these up and flattening them into shape like so. Now with these extended flaps, I'll be folding them down at the top. So you'll have two little triangles which are the top of the heart. With the remaining divided sections, I'll be folding these into the ring band. So you just keep refolding those. And you can see that the front of the heart is there. Then to finish off your ring, shape and curl the band around. And on the outside of the band, you'll see that there's two diagonal folds, which are little pockets. So using one end, you can slot that inside. Happy folding and thanks for watching. Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.